The absolute and the constructive or construct form of the noun. A noun coming by itself and not depending upon another noun, and we'll see what that means in a bit, is said to be in the absolute form. So we say this is an absolute noun. It is how it is by itself. However, a noun, when it's joined to another noun and it depends on it, is said to be in the constructive or construct. As in the word dabar, word, dabar, this is absolute, it's the word itself. But dabar ham-melech, word the king, word the king, so word of the king. When we put one noun next to another like this, this then changes its meaning to word of. Dabar ham-melech, word of the king. So dabar, we say, is in the constructive form. Notice the vowels have changed. Dabar, debar. The constructive form is known in the following manner. The words change in such a way that we can recognize it, usually. Nouns of the singular number that don't end in a or et generally change one or two of their points for the constructive form. So bayit, a house, bayit, changes to beit ha'ish, beit, bayit, and you can see the vowel change from bayit to beit, beit ha'ish, house the man. So we have to say house of the man. The word of pops up between these two nouns. House the man. Beit ha'ish. So it's a man house, in other words. Nouns ending in a generally change the hey into a tet. A tough, sorry. Change the hey into a tough and the a into a. So we have sukka, a shelter or a hut. Sukka becomes sukat, shalom, sukat, shalom, a shelter or hut of peace. Sukat, shalom, not sukka. Sukat, shalom, with a t on the end and not a ha. Those ending in et don't change. They have no change, as mamlechet, mamlechet. Remember so the accent is going to be here on the le. Mamlechet, a kingdom. Mamlechet kohanim, a kingdom of priests. Mamlechet kohanim. Nouns in the plural masculine or the dual drop the m and have e before the yud. So banim, sons. Banim becomes bnei. So banim changes to bnei Yisrael. Bnei, sons, Israel. So sons, and the word of jumps up in between these two. Sons of Israel. Of course, the word of is not here in the Hebrew. Bnei Israel. Bnei Israel. Then we have here yadayim, yadayim, hands, yadayim, becoming yedei. So yadayim changes to yedei Adam, yedei Adam, The hands, man. So the hands of man. Yedei Adam. Nouns in the feminine plural, ending in ot, generally have no change. So chomot, walls, chomot, chomot, hangir, walls, the city. So walls of the city. Chomot, hangir, the walls of the city. The noun, in its constructive form, does not take the article. So the son of man is rendered by ben Adam, and not by hab ben Adam. So ben Adam, son of man, and not, so is the son of man. Same we see here again. Chomot hangir, the walls of the city. And we don't say hab ben Adam, right? We don't say we don't use the definite article here in front of chomot hangir.